Thokozani Gogo, Thokozani Zindlondlo. People are asking in my inbox, what's my take ka Prophet Tshepo? I don't have a problem with Prophet Tshepo, but there are lots of red flags. Tse lor ba bang ba bona ho na le batho ba bolela and then le ba ja kameno. Number one, the disrespect se le ka e bona a tlhatloa batho a roha motho o moholo. That's no for me. Remember, whatever says Kyla on social media, we're gonna answer it. It doesn't mean stop threatening batho or tla itsa motho maotwana hunyela while wena o tshwere di bodyguard tse dintšintšintši tse di o kadileng, unless o ra maotwana hunyela ka sethunya. Mara he le gore ke ka setlhare ne ke sa bone necessity ya di bodyguard tse o ka re ba kadile Fidelity ba kadile wena. Prophet Tshepo ke sola dilo tse dintši tse o dirang. Why o tlhatlhoba ka video is part of advertising. It's part of advertising ka di-problems tsa batho. Motho ha tlhahella mo video, what's the use for video? Number one, although people lefatshe la gafa le ane meano he ke seno ke bolela bja nne ka wena ba tlo tla ko di-inbox mabrakana o ba itse ba nyaka di-10 aowa papa nna 10 ra leboga, but nnete a ebe modimo ga tafola. There are lots of red flags tse di tlhagellang ka ha wena Dr. Tshepo. Number two, title ya hao e re Dr. Prophet Tshepo a ke itse gore o wena mo kae, because those are two different things, whether o doctor ya sekgowa or o moprofeta, prophet mopostola profeta, or o sedupe, or gore you must get your line. A ke ha le ditshebetso tsa hao e ka ba o kgone go itse gore pila title e wela under eng, go iragala eng. But he ke lebeletse nna o ka re o ngaka Tsuphe. Yes, it can be ngaka Tsuphe mo bongomeng hona a ko bale mo bongomeng ya ha mongoma eo I'm sure about it. Yes, a ke ha di pereko tsa hao. Number two, ditlhatlhobo tsa hao tsa go bolela di strata o jika kae wa bona shop wa bona eng le yona ke red flag. Ke red flag number 3 e ke bonang. Tlhatlhobo ya hao e ke utlwa o tlhatlhoba motho mola. That's a no for me. Remember, I know batho ba ka araba batho ke makengana. The only people ba ba ka arabang ke dingaka ke ba profeta. So ke a bona hey o ba tshwere dingaka tse re ba itseng mo di TikTok ba araba phoso e ba e bonang ba bolela ha o ba tswalletse melomo ka di 10 ha o ba tswalletse melomo ba re itseng gore he motho ba sola ba rata o bolela gore mo ha era hana mo dirang ha o ba tswalletse melomo ka di 10 le di keys tsa dikoloi ha o ba tswalletse batho ga ba pala le go hema le phoso ba e bona ba tla hana le go bolela. Na ho ya ka Sesotho he ngaka e overcharger di price tsa hao na like batho ba latlhetse ke dikhomo or 100 and something tao and then plus dikhomo. Na ka Sesotho se nna ke se tsebang ba re ngaka he yo overcharger hora re ntho eo e tshaba go botsa straight gore nna a ke khone tsamaya go home. That's why o utlwa motho a overcharge wa o koba. But a re itse ka gore ba boletse ba re lehumo la ditlaela le tla ja ke ba botlhale ke jele papa te jele nako ke ya hao, mara nnete yona e tla and nnete e ila ka gore e staraga e tshwana le legobu because ditlhatlhobo tsa hao tse ke tsona ditlhatlhobo tsa bo Bushiri, ke ditlhatlhobo tsa bo Thembi, ke ditlhatlhobo tsa bo ma
Hello you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you share those videos. So Gogo Makhepula, our very famous and popular Sangoma, finally decides to give his side of the story regarding the now popular prophet or Sangoma, I don't know, Dr. Tshepo, who is a popular TikTok prophet or Sangoma who charges a huge and ridiculous amount to help people online, you guys. Now Gogo Makhepula states that he decided to do this video after getting an influx of inboxes from his followers asking him about his take on Prophet Tshepo, you guys. And Gogo Makhepula says that he has seen a lot of red flags about the popular prophet slash Sangoma, alleged Sangoma, let me say, he says that he has seen a lot of disrespect from him, insulting an elder person while consulting with the person, which was a big no-no and a big red flag from Gogo Makhepula. You guys, he says also Dr. Tshepo should stop threatening people that he will delete them whenever they comment on his content, which he posts on his social media accounts while he has bodyguards protecting him. He says, why should he consult people using cameras and videos? So why is he broadcasting people's problems on his social media account, and that it is part of advertising his services, and that he is actually exposing people's problems to the publics, which is a big red flag from Gogo Makhepula. You guys, Gogo Makhepula says that he is unfazed. He exposes Dr. Tshepo to fault, saying that his profile misleads a lot of people because he calls himself a doctor slash a prophet. By doctor, is he a medical doctor, you guys? And by prophet, is he like a godly prophet? Does he go to church? And also, is he a sangoma, you guys? He says that Prophet Tshepo needs to get in line and tells people what it is that he really is. He says, Gogo Makhepula said that Tshepo is not a sangoma, that he can assure a lot of people. He reveals that Tshepo could possibly be a psychic or something, but definitely not a sangoma, you guys. Anyways, what are your thoughts? Please do engage it with me in the comment section. Of course, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you share this video so that you do not miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next video, and may God just bless you all.
hao ba tswalletse melomo ka di-10 tao, hao ba tswalletse melomo ba re itseng gore he motho ba sola ba rata go bolela gore mo ha era hana mo dirang. Hao ba tswalletse melomo ka di-10 tao le di-key tsa dikoloi. Hao ba tswalletse batho ga ba pala le go hema le phoso ba e bona ba tla hana le go bolela. Na ho ya ka Sesotho he ngaka e overcharger di-price tsa hao. Na like batho ba latlhetse ke dikgomo or 100 and something tao, and then plus dikgomo. Na ka Sesotho se nna ke se tsebang ba re ngaka he yo overcharge gore re ntho eo e tshaba go botsa straight gore nna a ke khone tsamaya go home. That's why o utlwa motho a overcharge wa o koba. But a re itse ka re ba boletse ba re lehumo la ditlaela le tla ja ke ba botlhale. Ke jele papa, te jele nako ke a hao, mara nnete yona e etla, and nnete e ila ka gore e stara ha e tshwana le lehumo.